Hey friends, it's me, Claire, and I'm going to show you how to mix up black oil paint. As I demonstrate this technique, I'll also share why I mix up my blacks instead of purchasing them ready-made. Also, as a bonus, I'll show you how to put your custom paint into a tube. This demonstration video is part of the curriculum at the unaccredited College of Clare. I really do love teaching art, but I hate student loans with every fiber of my being. That's why I named the school UCK, because I don't want you to go into debt to learn from me. Visit patreon.com/Claire Lockhart to see what other artsy resources I have waiting for you.